My name is Eric Schnell. I'm the founder and CEO of Craitor, where we build expeditionary 3D printers. That is, ruggedized, hardened 3D printing systems to print critical components where and when they're needed, no matter where it may be in the world. Over the last 3 years, we've actually been building out our first product, Intrepid, testing it, deploying in various different environments. And the system we've come to now is ready for rollout. So most of our current efforts are towards deploying our first product, building it out to support this ecosystem. In the next 5 to 10 years, we hope to really be the name in manufacturing at the point of need. We believe that overall supply chains are becoming less centralized, more decentralized. And we want to be a part of that, whether it be just through 3D printing or various other means to support an overall ecosystem. The basement has been critical to our development. We actually first started in the basement almost 4 years ago. Those mentors had a huge impact in the development of our company and kind of helped us find our way. Everything from who can help us incorporate to who can do our taxes. If I had to describe my entrepreneurship story in one word, it would be persistence. Because you're going to have a lot of failures, you're going to have a lot of triumphs, but you have to keep pushing no matter what. Sometimes beyond what you might even consider to be reasonable. But persistence is what's made the difference for my story, for many of the other founders that I know. It's the ability to keep going, even through the failures, late at night, when you just want to stop and do something else, to be able to make success even out of failure.